Welcome to how to use AI tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Google Gemini AI in your mobile. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to open the Play Store and then search for Gemini as you see here, then click on install. From here you need to wait for the app to install and then click on open. Then after the app opens, you can click on switch and click on use Gemini. From here you can search anything you like. So as an example, we will make the AI write us an email. So I will type, I want you to write me an email about sharing my experience for other works in programming. As you see, you can click enter and then he will generate you a full email. You can actually let him make it simpler or make it longer, and there's a lot of things that you can do in this app. Also, you can tell him to make you a research. I will tell him, can you make me a research about elephants? As you see, he made me a full research about elephants. Also, you can make Google Gemini plan you a travel plan. So I will tell him, can you plan me a travel plan to Mexico with a good hotel? And then click enter. As you see, he will make me a more than one plan for a full vacation in Mexico. You can actually tell him for 10 days vacation or any other things. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.